welcome back to your skincare sanctuary. In the next few minutes, we are going to slow everything down. No rushing, no squeezing in frustration, just a calm, careful, deeply cleansing ritual. By the end of this, your skin will feel lighter, cleaner, and you'll feel like you've exhaled for the first time all day. This is safe, this is simple, and it works. The steam prep. Opening your pores, fill a bowl with hot, not boiling, water. Add 2 drops of tea tree oil if you have it. Drape a towel over your head and just breathe. Inhale the warmth. Feel it softening everything. Your pores are opening. Relaxing. Surrendering. This is the most important step. Don't rush it. The cleanse. Melting it all away, apply a gentle pH-balanced cleanser to damp skin. Work it in, slowly. Little circles. Softer than you think you need. Watch how the foam catches the light. Feel the oil dissolving. The grime lifting, your fingertips barely touching. But it's enough. Rinse with lukewarm water. Never cold. Never hot. Pat dry. Never rub. The extraction, careful, controlled, satisfying. Now, the part you've been waiting for. Wrap your fingertips in soft tissue. Never bare nails. Position them on either side, gently. Apply slow, even downward pressure, not inward. You're coaxing it out, not forcing. If it doesn't move, that's okay. That's your skin saying, not yet. Move on. Come back later. When it releases, and it will, the relief is real. That smooth, clean feeling after. Pure satisfaction. The treatment. Calm the redness, take a niacinamide or centella serum. A few drops, warmed between your palms. Press it into your skin, gently. No rubbing, just pressure. Warmth. Contact. Feel the serum absorbing, sinking in. Cooling the areas you just worked on, fading the redness, restoring balance. The seal. Locking in the healing, a light, fragrance-free moisturizer. Scoop a small amount. Feel its weight. Smooth it across your skin. Slow upward strokes. Over the cheeks. Across the forehead. Down the nose. Around the chin. Your skin is drinking it in. This is the seal. The hug after the work. Aftercare plus. Next day tip. The day after an extraction routine. Your skin might look a little pink. That's normal. That's healing. Don't panic. Skip the actives. Skip the exfoliation. Cleanse, moisturize, protect. That's it. Let your skin breathe and do what it does best. Repair itself, purging. It's getting worse before it gets better. If you've recently introduced an active, like retinol or salicylic acid, your skin may push congestion to the surface faster than usual. This is purging, not a reaction. It lasts 4 to 6 weeks, and then your skin clears beautifully. Stay consistent. Irritation. My skin feels raw or tight. You may have over-extracted or used too much pressure. Give your skin 3 and 5 days of barrier recovery, just cleanser and moisturizer. No actives, no extractions. Your skin will forgive you quickly. Over-exfoliation. My skin is red and shiny. Tight or stinging skin after cleansing is a sign of an overstripped barrier. Step back. Use only a creamy, gentle cleanser and a rich moisturizer for 1 week. Your barrier will rebuild. No extractions until it does. And just like that, you've done something beautiful for yourself today. Not a quick fix. Not a miracle product. Just patience. Consistency. Care. Give it 4 to 6 weeks of this ritual, and you will not recognize your skin. Clearer. Calmer. More balanced than it's been in a long time. You deserve skin that feels like a sanctuary, and you're already on your way. Until next time, take care of yourself. Gently, thank you for watching.